when an earthquake strikes. Can you place the buildings at the matching zones of seismic fortification intensity? Level 9 Fortification Zone. Level 8 Fortification Zone. Level 7 Fortification Zone. Level 6 Fortification Zone. Now let's build the sturdy houses to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. Skyscraper. We will need some steel components for building a skyscraper. Lift some up from the ground. Sort out the steel components by their shapes. Tie the steel components into bundles. Lift the steel components up for building the roof of the skyscraper. Slide the lever to the left and right to put the steel components in the right place. Hit the steel components with the hammer to align them. Now let's build an enormously big wind damper on the top of the building. Pull the handle to hoist the iron ball. Tighten the screw to fix the iron ball in place. Now install the small damper to connect the iron ball to the foundation. Spin the wrench to fix the screw. The iron ball of the wind damper is very big and heavy. It is as heavy as 132 elephants. Fix it in place on the top of the skyscraper. During a typhoon or an earthquake, it will swing from side to side so that the skyscraper is sturdier and does not shake. Wow, the skyscraper looks so grand! buildings with shake reduction measures and buildings without shake reduction measures. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going!